Hey guys, so today we're gonna be looking for a halo and I'll be trying to offer this halo right here. It's one of my dream halos and yeah, hopefully she just doesn't ignore me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so her halo is actually for trade. Yes. KK. Tell me. Okay, so I'm just gonna give her like 10k diamonds and I don't want to give her like something really over. Well, maybe I will. I'm not sure, but okay. Is this good? Because I don't want to be so over, but oops. Y'all. Because if I actually get this, I'm gonna like cry because it's so pretty. Okay. Okay, so far she seems like she's interested in my offer, but I don't know, like I feel like I'm over because of the mood changing necklace, but it's worth this halo. My thigh highs princess boots are never gonna be for trade, not even for like a halo. Okay, so I'm gonna put 11 9 4. I'm gonna give her all my diamonds. Okay, like oop, my chair. Okay, so I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna come back when she has her decision. Guys, so right now she says she might accept. I'm just gonna do my back recording. Okay, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Okay, let's go over this trade. Okay. Oop. Mood changing necklace. Like, you guys have to offer for the mood changing necklace. Like, I get so much offers for this, but I always, like, it. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I have to change my Shadow Empress boots, but it's worth for my dream halo. And, like, these two, I only, like, accepted, like, these were in the parasol offer that this girl was offering for my parasol. And so, oh my gosh. I don't wear these three, actually four. I don't wear those or this, but I'm so scared. If she actually accepts, I'm gonna cry. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna like cry if she actually accepts this offer. Cause like many people are saying that this halo is in like not high demand anymore. I'm not sure, but so pretty with this butterflies and like it just goes so well with the kimono set. And I'm so scared if she's gonna decline because mostly people like they just accept and then they just like when it's like the last minute they just decline. Oh my gosh! Please don't get me disconnected or I'll cry. This is like my dream halo. Don't do this to me. Oh my gosh, don't do this to me. Oh my gosh, if I get it, don't mind me screaming, but like, oh my god, if I actually get this, I'm gonna like cry. Like, I'm gonna be so shocked because this is gonna be my first ever Halo. And it's a spring Halo. It's so pretty. Come on, please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me. Please, please, please. All I need is this Halo, and I'm like, I feel like I'm so scared. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my gosh! 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 OMG! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I gotta try this on. Is this a dream? I feel like this is a dream. Don't tell me this is a dream. Please don't tell me this is a dream. Oh gosh! Oh my god! It's beautiful! Oh my gosh! God! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! OMG! OMG! Thanks guys for watching. Oh my god, it's so pretty! Look at the butterflies! Let me see. I think I can color this. I think I can color it. It's gonna be like this color. I heard people they said like you can color it and stuff. Does it actually work? I don't think it works. I don't know. I don't think it works. I don't know. Hmm. Like, I can't believe I just got my dream halo. Oh my gosh, yeah, I don't think you can color this halo. OMG. OMG, look, there is a halo on my head. I thought I would never get this halo. Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell for any notifications on my new video. Bye.